In this video, we will look at how to make use of time bucket columns that were created from a date column. So I have a data set here called sales monthly. It has a date column from which we have derived a number of time bucket columns. So if I start by creating a bar graph like this, and I use sales on the y-axis, and then I make a breakdown based on year. I could also insert month, for example, and I might want to color on year, and I can add a color legend to help me understand what the colors mean, like that. So here we have 2019, 2020, and we have 12 months followed by 9 months. But if I want to compare month by month across 2 or more years, I can do this differently. If I copy this one and paste it, I'm going to make a slight tweak to it. Looking at the breakdown, we take month and move that on top of year, and then we go into settings and say that we want to do bar mode grouped, at which point we get this appearance. We see month by month, where one bar is 1 year and the next bar is the other year. If we move over to this tab, we can do a similar thing with a data set with daily sales data. We create a bar graph and we put sales on the y-axis. We might want to look at the mean average sales per weekday, and we want to color this by year, and we also add year to the breakdown, and we change the order so that year comes first, and we change from standard to grouped, and actually we want this to be at the bottom. And this allows us to see what the average sales per weekday is across 2 different years, where the color indicates what year we're looking at.